Hi traders, it's been a while since we looked at Friday Pro, and I thought it'd be worthwhile looking at this again because I've been thinking about trading lately, and there are different types of trading robots. This is one that lets you sleep well at night. It doesn't give you any angst because it just trades, it's set and forget, it trades once a week and you let it run. Whilst it's running, it's accumulating swap fees as well, so it pays you to hold the trades. And I think this is just one of those relaxed, easygoing trading robots. And I just wanted to bring this back to your attention because it's done pretty well. And this is my live tracker for it. You can see I started in August the 18th, 2023. It's already December 2024, so a good year and almost a year and a half actually of running this. And I literally have just left it to run and do its own thing. You see, it did get a peak of over 400%. It did sort of dipped slightly, and now we're back up again. And I want to show you this because I noticed on the authors one, it's actually reached an all-time high, 412%. And I was looking at the the deposit low, the drawdowns. The drawdown for the author has been pretty low as well. So drawdown is the red, so maximum here we had a 9% drawdown, but all the way through it's been around 5% max on a drawdown, and as you can see it's already 412% up. And going back to my results, you can see that we have, well, basically we have 3 trades which get open every Friday. That's the way it works. And if I split this up into the 3 pairs, so pound yen, which is the author set file, dollar yen, which is also the author set file, and I'll use my own Singapore yen, which is what we found and put onto our Patreon site. And if you analyze it, actually I'm going to click on that, take off the actual growth because that gets in the way. And you see this 3 split here. So this is the pound yen, which has done okay. It's managed to return 20% return, and it's been pretty much flat lines. So it's not been that great. You see the author's dollar yen has done better, almost a 75% return, but it's the Singapore yen. So this is our ancestor file, which has returned over 100% on this. And this trading robot doesn't use grid or martingale or anything like that. And in fact, if you look at the summary, you see how many pips it's made. We've made almost 5,000 pips on the Singapore yen, 1,100 on pound yen, dollar yen 3,200. See the profit, trades, how many wins, losses. See the balance. Have I taken anything out? No, I'm not taking anything out of this. I've put in $200 and let it run. Highest we reached was $1,000. We currently around 940 right now. Okay, and what else is interesting? Oh, this is new interesting. Forecast. So if it, so basically they've got a forecasting tool. Given the current results, you can put in a non-compounding, and so say you started off with $1,000 using this system, and over 10 years non-compounding, you'll get you 38,000, $38,000. But if you compound it, it's a bit of a joke, but $5.5 billion. I don't think that's actually possible, but there you are. That's what he thinks. But you can see if you compound is the difference between compounding and not compound. I'm not sure what Monte Carlo one is. Let's try that one. I guess that's just showing how much you could get if you. Actually, I don't know, but it's showing growth anyway. I mean, I just wanted to bring this back to your attention because this is a really simple trading robot. It's by this Ming trader, and she sells quite a few AM Momentum Pro, but this Friday Pro is the one. And yeah, this is done really, really well. Simple. The grid martingale just doesn't give you any stress, but it's managed to return 412% if you take the user's set files. And you can go in the comments. The set files are here. Yeah, I'm just thinking, in hindsight, it's always great, isn't it? I mean, if I compounded it, then it would have been a lot more. Obviously, on my account, if I put more money in, it would have made a lot more too. And given the total amount of pips we made on this, almost 10,000, well, 9,000 pips and 208 trades. It's been pretty remarkable. Yeah. Oh, and yeah, you can see the percentage returns for 2023 monthly returns. Got 18% loss in December. You can see all the ones prior to that, before that, were positive. Positive, big chunky 44% return there. Had 3 months of losses, gain, a loss there, and then back in December now, we are back up again. So yeah, it's looking good, and yeah, worthwhile having a look at this one if you're looking for a relatively stress-free training robot. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll speak to you soon.